Okay, today's little project, I needed to put a switch on a 12 volt solar light just because the battery goes for about 8 hours, so it was staying on till 2 in the morning and right outside our bedroom window. So I went to the electrical store and a proper waterproof box was $25. Seeing how the lights were only $35, I thought, well, I'm not spending that. And so I picked up some of these containers. They're good and they seal correctly for a couple of bucks at the supermarket. You know, they also have them at department stores and so on, but like those 3 were $4, right? And paint it inside and out so that it's more UV stable and matches in with the post I'm going to attach it to. And let's have a look at the finished product. So here it is here. There's the solar panel, wire running down the pipe and on and off. And there's the switches, a couple of dollars extra, you buy a rubber grommet that goes over it to make it watertight. As you can see, it's painted inside and out. It's just screwed to the post. One bracket in between was all I needed. That's soldered on. Absolutely beautiful. The other thing that I did was I mounted the solar panel off the side of the gutter, away from where anyone sees it, but normally I just lay those things on the roof and they fill up with water and everything else, or they stop water flowing, or they get debris caught in them. By putting it off to the side on like a broom bracket, which I've just got some short screws just going through the metal, so not blocking the gutter at all, and I can take that off and on any time by just unclicking it. So just one of these things here, screwed to the gutter, push it down, and that will hold it. So that's today's project, and it's a cheap way to make a waterproof switch container. You know, I'm not using it for 240, it's only for 12 volt. But yeah, for me, I've got away with it for a few bucks. Okay, bye. This is the evening effect of the lights. It's 3 solar lights on one small panel. That feature up there is probably 5 meters or more away, and it's lighting it up beautifully. This one has 2 lights on it from 2 different angles. You know, it has built-in lights in the unit, in the thing, but you don't get any of the colour of the water feature without these solar lights up here. So those 2 and one across there. But on and off, which was what this was all about. So switch it off, no light. Switch it on, we've got light. The secret with the switch is one wire is continuing all the way through, and the other one you cut one side of the wire and you put it on one side of the plug and the other, whether you use connectors or solder as I have. That way when the switch is on or off, it breaks the circuit. So if it's off, it breaks the circuit and the lights go off. So you don't have to rely on the battery, on the solar light battery going flat before it will turn off, like at the end of the evening when we're finished. You know, so it's not going on our bedroom window or whatever. We just go up to it, switch it off, and all done.